So for this demo, we'll go to the website studentaid.gov/IDR. Once you log in with your email or FSA ID, you'll be presented with this page, the dashboard. And you would go to the third menu, loan repayment, and then IDR plans. The first option after the description will be apply for the SAVE plan. And you would click this button here on the right, apply. Are you sure you want to continue as a new user, it asks? To continue as a returning user, you would select cancel, manage your plan. So you hit cancel. And this is assuming you've been in this system already. And you select manage your plan. From here, you can edit your contact information, review your federal loan information, confirm your personal information, transfer or enter financial information, review your current repayment plan or switch to a new one, and agree to terms and conditions. So once you hit continue, you can ask that your repayment plan be switched or recalculated. Depending on what you select, the page will change. For this one, I'll select switch my current plan because I'm not sure what the plan is. And they put your private borrower information down, your name, your loan information, personal information, financial. They'll show you the repayment plans, and then you can review and submit. Once you're done, you would click in the upper right-hand corner and select Log Out.